Welcome to your own YouTube channel, TheAutoVerse. Today we're diving into the 2025 Microlino, the perfect blend of retro charm and modern electric innovation that's set to redefine urban mobility. The 2025 Microlino stands out as a compact electric vehicle designed for city driving. Inspired by the classic bubble cars of the 1950s, it brings a nostalgic flair but is equipped with today's advanced technology. Its small and stylish exterior makes it perfect for navigating tight city streets and fitting into the smallest parking spaces. With its eye-catching design, the Microlino features a unique front opening door, allowing easy access to the cabin and adding a distinctive look that's sure to turn heads. Despite its tiny size, the Microlino offers more space than you might expect. The interior is designed for maximum efficiency, comfortably seating two adults with room for up to 230 liters of storage, which is enough for daily errands or even a weekend getaway. The cabin's minimalist design is fitted with high-quality, eco-friendly materials, making it both sustainable and stylish. The dashboard features a clean layout, with a digital display providing all essential driving information and simple controls that keep the experience intuitive. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Microlino impresses with its efficient electric motor. It's available in multiple battery configurations, providing a range between 60 and 143 miles on a single charge, depending on your choice. This flexibility makes it ideal for different driving needs, from quick commutes to longer urban journeys. With a top speed of around 56 mph, the Microlino is optimized for city environments, ensuring you get where you need to go swiftly and smoothly. Plus, the vehicle's compact dimensions make it incredibly agile, giving you a fun and effortless driving experience. Charging the Microlino is both convenient and quick. It can be charged from a standard household outlet or using a public charging station, making it practical for a variety of lifestyles. Additionally, the 2025 model comes equipped with improved safety features, such as reinforced construction and energy-absorbing elements designed to keep you secure in an urban environment. The electric drivetrain not only makes for a quiet and smooth ride but also aligns with a sustainable vision for the future, helping to reduce emissions and minimize your carbon footprint. The 2025 Microlino is more than just a car, it's a statement of style and efficiency, perfect for eco-conscious urban dwellers. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.